What is furniture design? Furniture designers are professional designers who create furnishings to be used and enjoyed. If you've looked at furniture and you think that you can go on a microstructure of it, then you are in. A career as a furniture designer can prove to be rewarding. Furniture designers design for the masses, creating dressers, beds, sofas, and many other pieces for modern homes, apartments, offices and more, often keeping in mind things like customer preferences and modularity, sustainability, ergonomics, and practicality. By dictionary, furniture means accessories and equipment, but furniture design is much more than that. It has components of social science as well as humanities. It's a form of applied art that draws on a variety of disciplines and demands a knowledge of materials as well as manufacturing modern techniques. So furniture design is a multifaceted enterprise. It's sort of an all-encompassing discipline. Furniture is a type of industrial or handcrafted design that is used to facilitate human activities in habitable space. Every piece of furniture is designed with the requirements of the user in mind. The purpose of a piece of furniture, such as sleeping, beds, eating, tables, or seating, seats, is determined by its function like that of chairs. When it comes to implementing a design, furniture is most important because it gives a space functionality and livability. As people made and then treasured valuable objects, furniture design and construction became a cultural representation of accumulation and care. A specific country's craft tradition created with specific local materials and artists. Furniture designers work with clients producing new and unique designs, forecasting and budgeting, testing new ideas using prototypes or models, preparing detailed final designs. Ability to draw and conceptualize three-dimensional objects is also very important in this field. On completion, one can work in furniture company, furniture or product design studios, product assembly manufacturing units. One can open a designer furniture store or can work freelance, even from home or co-working office. Course highlights. Ed. Studios, CAD softwares, thesis work, history, modular furniture, built-in furniture, medical furniture, casegug furniture, system furniture, regional furniture, sculpture furniture, history, lab work, digital work and MSP work, etc.